Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Proof Living. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a GFI that keeps on tripping or won't reset. Most of the time, if it won't reset or won't test or won't reset, the first thing I would do is check the breaker panel. If there is no power coming into the GFI, it will not function. So it needs power for it to reset and test. So the first thing you would want to do is turn on the power. Right now, I don't have any power, just so you can see that it will not reset or test with no power. Next thing I would do is, if you verify that you have all your breakers are on the on position, none of them are tripped, then the first thing I would try to do is open up your GFI and check to see if there's power on the wires coming into it. I'm gonna open this one up so you guys can visualize what I'm talking about. All right, we'll pull this out. If you look in the back, you have a side that says line. So these two screws on the bottom will be your line, and this side will be your load, the ones on top. It could be opposite depending on the brand. Line could be on top and load on the bottom. You know, always verify with the actual outlet where your line and loads are. So on the line side, you want to make sure you have power. You can double check with a voltage checker, one of these voltage pens. If it lights up and you have power and it will not reset, there's a possibility that if like this one, we have other receptacles being fed off of this GFI. So this GFI controls other outlets in the house. So if you have power here on the line side and it will not reset, then I would turn off the power to this circuit, make sure it's dead, and then I would remove the load side wires. I would remove both load side wires like so. I removed both of my loads off of here. Then I would go ahead and turn it back on. If when you turn it back on, it still won't reset or test, then I'm pretty sure you have a bad GFI and you just need to replace the GFI. Now, if it does reset and it works properly, and then you add your loads back into your GFI and it trips, then it's probably working as it needed. It's doing its function. It's, you know, it's recognizing some kind of fault on the load side. If you have a problem on the load side, then you'd have to figure out what outlets these are controlling. Usually they're controlling something near water, either a bathroom, outside, kitchen. Normally those are the areas where you have GFIs located. So that's where I would begin. So if you have power coming in and it resets, GFI is working. If when you add your loads and it will not reset, then there's a problem on your load side. Then we'd have to figure out what's going on the other side. It could be by moisture. Moisture can trigger these GFIs to trip. You know, you can also have something plugged in that may be giving out some kind of current leak to ground. The GFI measures current coming in, and it has to be returned back through the neutral. If it doesn't come back, there's a very small tolerance, you know, that it allows. So if there's any imbalance, it's going to trip. So you got to make sure whatever this is controlling, if anything you have plugged into those outlets is causing the trip, or maybe the outlet is bad, maybe there's water getting into that outlet. Those are most of the symptoms that you're gonna see. It's either water or some kind of short, or something you plug in is gonna make it trip. That's pretty much it. I mean, these GFIs, they do go bad. I mean, they don't last forever, unfortunately. But yeah, if you got power coming in with no load and it won't reset, then it's a bad GFI. If you have no power coming in, you got to check your circuit breaker, or maybe you got multiple GFIs throughout the house and one is feeding off another, and it could be that situation as well. But that's the basic troubleshooting to a GFI. If you got power coming in, it should reset and trip. If it doesn't, bad GFI. Once you got a new GFI, if you add your loads and it's still tripping, you got a problem down the line on your load side. After that, I mean, once you clear everybody out, then it should be working fine. All right, that's what I got for you guys today. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments anything you'd want to see. This was somebody gave me a comment. They wanted to see how to troubleshoot a GFI. So that's what I'm working on. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.